Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm talking to you if you're a blogger, podcaster, but you want to pick up something simple, really mobile, easy vlogging setup so you can just pick it up and go on the go, have good sound. I've got mine right here. I'm going to break it down, show you how to plug it in, show you what it sounds like, and all the links are in the description. Let's get started. Alright guys, today is my birthday and my son gave me this awesome mug. It says Dad on it, has hearts on it. It's absolutely amazing. Sometimes I just want to go on the go, or I just want to pick something up and I want to go do some videos, but it's got to sound good. It's got to be easy. It's got to point, it's got to turn, it's got to do all those things. And you have your iPhone with you all the time. A lot of people are into the Rode mics, but I found one that's even cheaper and I think it sounds even better. So there are tons of videos on the internet that show you like this mic and that mic. I'm not going to get into that right now, but I am going to show you my setup right here. I can pick up this setup anywhere I go. It has good audio. Here's what it looks and sounds like. I'm going to switch to it right now. Hey, guys, this is my setup. It's very easy to do. This is the mic. You're hearing it. You're seeing it. I can move around my studio. I have great audio. I can go outside. I can flip it around. I can flip this whole thing around. I can flip cameras. I can switch this thing around. Whatever you want. But all I did was put a couple pieces together. The handle, the little swivel mount up here, and the Boya microphone, which was only about 30 bucks on Amazon. I absolutely love this mic. It's like the Rode Mic Go, only it's half the price, and I have both. I think it sounds better. It doesn't do a bunch of weird stuff like that. And so I just really encourage you guys to look into this inexpensive mic. So I'm gonna turn this off now and break it down for you, each piece of my rig. And each piece is important, okay? It serves a purpose. This is the whole rig itself. It can fit in my bag. It tears apart. It's very simple. So I'm gonna break it down for you. First of all, we'll just go top down with this. Top down. So this is the Boya microphone, okay? It's sitting on top. It comes with this windscreen, which is phenomenal. So if you're going outside or if you're just getting close to it, you need to put this windscreen on, okay? This windscreen is very funny looking, but it's there. What I have next, the Boya microphone comes with everything you really need to make this setup work. It's the greatest value, but it's right here. I've got a little white thing that goes into my iPhone. The Boya microphone comes with the adapting cable that goes from basically tip ring sleeve to tip ring sleeve, which is, I've talked about that in a lot of my videos. It comes with both cables, also for the price. I can't believe how good this thing sounds and how inexpensive it is. And really just, the Rode video mic has given me problems in the past, so I just kind of don't use it anymore. It makes funny noises sometimes, like with my phone. The next thing I have is this little adapter. Now, I've bought these many times. The reason I bought this is sometimes I want to use the front-facing camera, sometimes I want to use the back-facing camera. So when I'm working, I can undo this and move this microphone around any way I want. Okay, so this is very key. So you want this microphone pointing right at you. So when the microphone is all tweaked up on here, you can actually do this any way you want. If you're going to go down low, if you're going to go up high, whatever angle you're doing, you can move this microphone around really easy. So don't buy these cheap like $3 ones from Amazon. They're terrible. I have some of those. This one has, the ones I'll put in the links for you are very nice. They're like 15 bucks, but they're worth every penny because the other ones are just cheap, okay? They don't work. And then you can put that on your stand. So I have this stand right here, which is my favorite iPhone stand of all time. It's the ProMaster code 3421. Phenomenal stand. I use this all the time. But when you want to mount something on top, you're going to have to get the Ulanzi metal mount. It's not as good in my opinion, but it does have a shoe mount on top, and that's the key. You want a shoe mount on top that you can put your iPhone in, okay? Has a shoe mount, and it's nice, it's good. It's just not as cool as the ProMaster, but I haven't found a ProMaster with a hot shoe. So that's the mount right there, really simple little mount. And then out of everything I've ever found, every little mini tripod, I have multiples, I have mini tripods all over the place. I use this one all the time. Some of these have really weak ball ends on them and they can't, they don't stay in place and everything. This one is perfect. It's got a little line level. It's got a little line level on it. It's got, it's just got everything. The cool thing is you can grab it like this, hold it up, reach up, quickly tilt it down so you can have the right angle. Boom, boom, boom. Doing your vlogging. Oop. Boom, boom, boom. Doing your vlogging. You can do all of that. And then you can sit it on the table. Bam. And move it around really quickly. Do your vlogging there. It's just the best little one. It's an iGadgets. I have links to all of these in the description. If you get a good setup, you can throw this in your bag, pull it out, do anything you want. This also works. I've got a GoPro here. I'm using this, actually it's not the GoPro, but this is like a GoPro. Only I think better than a GoPro. It's better than a GoPro. What I'm using this for, you can also throw this on this mount too, and it's a great vlogging setup. But if you're gonna use your iPhone, that is it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to bring out some of this gear, show you how to hook it up, and show you how I'm using it to make all the content for my YouTube channel. God bless you guys. I'll see you on the next video.